Hello, in this lecture you will learn how to do notifications for your jobs. So first of all you need to of course go to the SQL Server agent, and then you will need to set up an operator. So operator is basically some contact that is operating the database, or that is operating the business you're running. So what you need to do, just right click on this operators directory and you click on new operator, just like that. And here you have several options. You have notifications, we don't need that. We need the general, we need just the general. And you have first of all the name, so let's do the name test. And then you also have notification options. So you have pager email name, so you can do all that as well, but we will just go with a simple email this time. And to do that, obviously you just enter some email. I'll just enter some random text here to make this easier. You would obviously enter the email which will be receiving those notifications. You could have several operators for several different notifications for several different jobs. So you just click OK, just like that, and you have your operator. Now to send the notification, you go to your job. In the jobs, you go to the job, and you right click on your job and you go to properties as if you want to modify it, and then you go to the notifications, not the alerts but to the notifications. And here you have several options. You can page it, so you can use that page information, but we will be doing email. Although you could actually, as you can see, you have these checkboxes. You can choose all options, some options, or just one option, or none of the options. So you have email, page, and then you have right to the Windows application and log, which is quite useful sometimes. And then you have this very interesting thing, automatically delete job. So this one can be very useful, although very rarely it is useful. So now let's go to the email, the one we want, and we did the operator. So here you choose the operator, and we have only one test operator, so let's click on that. And then you have these events. So you have when job succeeds, when job fails, then the job completes. So completes and succeeds are almost the same. Completes is when it completes, so it either fails or succeeds, doesn't matter which is there, it will complete no matter what, and then it will send the alert. However, what is more useful is doing that when the job fails. Obviously, you want to know when the job fails so that you might be able to fix something. So once you do that, you simply click OK, it executes, and you are done. You will be receiving your emails, but before you do that, you obviously need to set up your database email. That is very important, and you must not forget it. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.